What's up everyone? The Game On FC team is at the fan ball meet today. लेकिन fan ball meet क्या है? It's a day where football fans, no matter कौन से club support करो, can come together and celebrate the sport we love so much, along with their favorite creators and other artists.
Se siente libre, se siente Si me quema, el ritmo me guía. Late mi pecho, comienza la fiesta.
यहाँ पे the fans are going to line up and have a registration क्योंकि the whole event is spread over 2 floors, fan stores, merchandising, freestyle events. That's not all though, there is so much more. For the first time ever, an exclusive traveler's guide to Indian football screen होने वाली है यहाँ पे at the fan ball meet. जो भी यहाँ पे है बहुत lucky होने वाला है. And can you imagine, आप आपके favorite content creators के साथ face off कर सकते हो and win a lot of cool merchandises at the FC26 tournament. But my favorite segment, and the favorite segment for everyone at Game On FC, Rivalry Room, and we have a very special guest on the panel today. But apart from this, we have a lot more of fan panel discussions about Serie A, La Liga, and also women empowerment in sports, how women can play a bigger part in football. But अगर जो आपको ये सब देखना है तो let's go into this episode. Powered by PlayStation, FC26 का tournament हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Let's see what the fans think. How far will they reach in the tournament? जतिन भाई क्या लग रहा है किधर पहुंचोगे टूर्नामेंट में फाइनल्स तक?
फटी पड़ी है भाई। फाइनल की क्या बात करूं मैं, बार्सिलोना जैसा ही हाल है मेरा भी। इधर
हरा पाओगे इनको?
लग तो नहीं रहा, नहीं लग रहा है।
Let's see you make it to the final. See you guys. तो राउंड 1 जीत के जतिन भाई आए हैं यहाँ पे as if he's won the final. क्या हाल है?
हाल बहुत अच्छा है। आदमी लड़ा के आया हूँ भाई, तो एरोगेंस है मेरे में भी, एरोगेंस।
मैंने रूमर सोचा कि वो 15 साल का बच्चा था, इतना क्यों खुश हो रहे हो भाई?
बच्चा हो या बड़ा हो, सीख देनी चाहिए हर एक। तो मैंने उसको एक टफ लेसन दिया कि हर एक चीज आसानी से नहीं मिलती।
As you can see, FC26 सब लोग यहाँ पे बहुत सीरियसली लेते हैं because big prizes are at stake.
चश्मे से मालूम पड़ जाना चाहिए।
We'll meet Jatin bhai in the semi-final maybe.
फाइनल भाई, री एंट्री लेके आऊंगा।
So, Shop Football is the official merchandising partner of the fan ball meet. You imagine a day where, you know, a footballing event's happening in your city and you'd be able to be the partner right there. Stuff of like things you thought you'd work with a brand, right?
So I think I've seen a lot of Comic Cons, I've seen a lot of other events for other fandoms and all, but I really wanted something such as this for football as well. And I think that's amazing that it's happening because our philosophy is almost the same. We found there was a lack of representation in fashion when it came to football, right? So, and that's why Shop Football was born. So I think, yeah.
Yeah. And what is the one thing you love to always show anyone who wants to come to you? What's your most prestigious design, your item?
My most prestigious design, I would say, would be the D-Tennis. And this is also because it's the best-selling one. So this has Messi and Maradona embroidered and the number 10, the classic number 10.
You know where to find them. Shop Football on.
So shopfootball.in actually. So
We have Fatima here from the Global Institute of Sports Business, partnered up with Fanball Meet. How does it feel to be part of a fan event like this in Mumbai regarding football?
Oh, it's amazing, you know, because being a part of such event, which is very rare in Bombay especially, and having the sports enthusiast being around, I think it's amazing. And it's really, really welcoming for us.
If there's one thing you could tell us about your program which would appeal to anyone walking in here of all ages, what would it be?
It's a one-time thing that I can say is pursue your passion, and if you're really passionate about your sports, that is, you know, the sports gist that you have in you, you can always come and, you know, be a part with us because that's what we're looking for.
Thank you so much, Fatima.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
बस अभी सांस लेने का टाइम मिला है. What a whirlwind day. What a beautiful day at the Fan Ball Meet Mumbai. Thank you so much Akshata and Lokmani. Firstly, आपने ये event organize किया. We're also lucky in Mumbai to have something like this and hopefully a lot more of this happens soon. We obviously saw a lot of fan panel discussions about Serie A, La Liga, Premier League, and of course, rivalry room में तो बहुत मजा आया यार, because you got to have a live audience at home. You guys are the reason we exist. But एक live audience के साथ shoot करने में कुछ और ही मजा आया. Thank you so much again, everyone in the fan panel. I hope you guys had a good time. And again, from the bottom of my heart, to the whole football community जो यहाँ पे आज celebrate करने आए event, thank you. Please leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the Game On FC. We'll see you in the next edition.